Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying where your game's live and how much room you actually have. Use File Explorer or Settings to read free GB on each drive, then rank installed titles by play frequency. Keep the top 3. Next, scan for obvious space hogs, videos, ISO, old backups, and move or delete them. Once done, empty recycle bin and clear temp folders so that the space change is immediate. This prevents wasted reinstall attempts and speeds the next steps. Now you shift bulky assets where they belong. Grab an external SSD or secondary drive and move media or archive folders. Use Robocopy for integrity. Include /mir or follow your client's move feature. Then, uninstall games you no longer play through Steam, Epic, or console storage menus to reclaim tens of GB. Adjust your game launcher settings to set a new default install path so future installs land on the larger drive. This prevents repeat juggling and keeps main drive lean. Finish by optimizing and verifying. Run disk cleanup, trim or trim-enabled utilities for SSDs, and defragment HDDs to reclaim minor wasted blocks. Then, in each game client, use verify or repair to ensure moved files are recognized. This saves you redownloading large files. If you still lack room, upgrade to a larger NVMe or SATA SSD. Aim for 1 TB for a comfortable library. Troubleshooting tip. If installations fail, check for hidden large folders.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.